I'm Debbie Kemp. I'm the MBA Director at Kent Business School. The alumni summer schools for our MBA program are very much about getting our community back together. So it gives a great opportunity for networking and reconnecting with your past friends, but also to meet fellow MBA students but across different cohorts. And there's always the changing climate that we live in, particularly in the business world. So again, it's really important to keep up to date. And with the MBA Summer School, all of our hosts that are facilitating the workshops are either from within academia, so they're bringing their latest research back into the MBA Suite, or we've actually got some MBA alumni who again are sharing their knowledge within their specific business areas. We often find, because they are practitioners, they are working at a senior level within their organisation, they have a great expertise and they're always very open and willing to share that. Because we have a very large amount of alumni who are international students, we're also offering all of the workshops online, and it's truly hybrid so that they can join in and they can connect with the people in the classroom.
I think it's a great initiative to bring the alumni back because they've got so much to offer. And also, I think as a person who champions lifelong learning, it's important to touch base and see what's being discussed. It opens the floor up, you hear different people talk about different things. I chose today because it's around healthcare and I'm interested in the field because I work in that field.
We saw today that an alumni meet is really important to connect not only with your old peers but also see how things are changing from the younger generations as technology and digitalization, things are changing all the time. So learning and being accepting to the changes is important, and these avenues and these events give us a space to do that. So yeah, I would definitely come back.